Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with my best friend Jolena, of course. Like in the last video, if you haven't seen, we opened all these toys. Go watch it. Lots of them, as she manhandles.
And we got a bunch of them too. And there's a giveaway that we will also mention at the end of this video too.
Yeah, so stick around till the end so you get to see the giveaway. Anyways, so we got these balls at Toys R Us. They're $10 here, boohoo. But they're cool, they're the new ones. They come with vehicles and dinosaurs, a really cool assortment. Some of them are really interesting species like Tapigera, Amargasaurus. I think they've got like Brachiosaurus and Jurassic Park style Dilophosaurus. But anyways, wow. Well, we're hoping we don't get the vehicles because that would suck. We're here for the dinosaurs. So let's dig right in. I was waiting for these balls to come out for so long. Like, I've been stuck with nothing but the original series. And Series 2, the glow-in-the-dark ones, that was like a boring reboot.
Sorry, I had to take my hand
Why is it so hard?
Use your teeth.
I remember, okay. God, there was a joke. There's room for a joke there.
Dude, it's not funny.
I'm hilarious when...
Why is there... Okay, first thing I'm going to say, why is there so much plastic?
I think they're made in China. They don't really care about if there's single-use plastic out the wazoo. Why is it so hard to open?
Wait, there's like 3 layers of plastic on it.
Yeah.
Comes from ASMR. Oh. Oh, whoa. Do you just like drop them?
You just pull that tab.
Crack it like an egg.
Like Terry's orange. Yes.
Okay, so you pull this cool tab. Oh, it sticks like that, and then you can crack it open.
Don't think you need to crack it.
I do need to crack it. It's more fun that way. And it comes with this thing.
Oh, it's a list.
Of all of them.
See, there's the stego. You're blocking everything with your other hand, so no one gets to see. See, there's Tapigera, there's Dilophosaurus, Boring Rex. Where's the cool ones? There we go. Amargasaurus and Brachiosaurus and Tapigera. All these cool dinosaurs.
Oh, and they have a little cool
compartment.
So.
Oh, they've got a big compartment and a bunch of little ones. This is new. They used to be all compartments like this.
I'm going to be opening the tiny compartments first. Oh, you can do yours.
Yes! Yes! Oh my goodness, yes. Look at how big it is. It's huge. What the heck? Did they make the compartments bigger so like the dinosaurs could be bigger? Because this is amazing. Look how it's huge. This is bigger than the last ones. That's so cool. Look, it comes with like a chain. The dinosaur's like in jail.
That's how you put it together.
Thank you.
No problem.
I needed to know.
You're welcome.
Okay,
Okay, go away.
Okay.
No, do your...
Okay, yes, the colors are amazing. There's a lot of detail on the eyes. The teeth are painted individually. The eyes are painted much better than the last series. They've got a lot more detail going on. And I love the vibrant colors, and the battle damage-like features are nice. This lineup perfectly mirrors Jurassic Park with the battle damage and with the vehicles being implemented. I think that was a really cool addition to this lineup. Makes it feel like that alternate type of toy if you can't find or afford Jurassic World toys. This is like the perfect smaller equivalent. And I was really hoping for the Amargasaurus. So, are you smelling it?
No.
Oh, whoa, the tail comes in multiple pieces.
Speaking of smelling them though, they smell like paint. They smell like spray paint. They smell like fresh spray paint.
Oh, they do.
So if you don't like the smell of fresh spray paint,
looks like I'm investing
don't smell
more.
them.
This is a long figure. Get these. They're worth it. That's worth it. That's so long. And way better than the last ones. Again, I can't stress that enough. This is way better than the last lineup. I'll do a comparison video some other day, but...
And they even, like, the things move and stuff, too.
Yeah, like, look at that. Oh, there we go. You move the head and the tail moves, or vice versa. That's pretty cool.
Oh, Brady, my turn. Wait, give him his little...
Put him in jail.
Oh.
Oh.
He's in jail now. Okay.
Jailosaurus.
So let's do some peel porn, because I'm really cool.
What is that? Oh. It's a brachio. Yes, amplify those noises by like 50.
I will.
It needs a longer neck than just that.
Oh, okay. I'm assuming this is...
Here, let's get it on film.
Is this the beginning?
Why would you put it in upside down?
I don't know.
This is actually sad.
Okay.
Okay, I will deal with that.
No. Go away. Stop. It's mine.
Damn. Okay, fine. You do you. I didn't get that peel porn vibe.
Oh. Ready? Here, listen to the noise it makes. Ugh.
Oh my god. My poor audience.
Yeah, that's one. Peel porn. Oh, that was a nice peel. Whoa, I get a bear trap.
What? Why would they have a bear trap with the brachiosaurus? That's the saddest thing ever. What do you...
What am I doing?
There's a head. It goes on here.
Oh, I thought that was a tail, bro. I'm sorry.
This is... Wow. Try and keep it on camera.
Oh.
They want to watch this. This is the whole reason they came.
So I'm not... I mean...
Oh, that is the back
I know,
leg.
I realize that. Thank you.
Yep,
Yeah, it
here.
would be this one.
Jeez, 2 sauropods in one pole. That's so cool. I'm going to buy the rest of them from the same container and see if there's any doubles. If not, we can confirm.
This is not the back leg.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, Brennan.
You're welcome.
Call Brennan stupid, not me.
We should probably look in the instructions.
No. We don't care about the instructions.
That doesn't feel right. There's something about that just doesn't sit right with me. But for some reason, maybe it has to sit right. Why is it... What? I don't understand.
Did I put them on the wrong side?
That makes no sense, though. No, you didn't. No, why are you removing the head and the tail?
Did I put these on the wrong side?
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, that was cursed. It was struggling there. That's kind of weird that they'd make it interchangeable instead of like a unique slot for the head and end.
Yes, bro. Not 18-year-olds are stupid.
Well, you're pretty special right now.
You know what? Just for that?
The
I'm
legs
keeping
are on
this.
backwards. We cannot. This is unacceptable. It's gimped. It's bootlegged.
Oh, Jesus. God
Damn. We're having a little rage. I love the colors on this one. The purple really stand out. And I love the head, like the eyeshadow it's got on, makes it look very menacing
look
for a
at that.
brachio. No one can see it while you're shaking it around. Hold it still.
No.
See? Eyeshadow.
Very cool. And then
Both the sauropods have it because they're inmates.
it has...
That is so sad. Wait. Find the instructions in your ball. Let's see if they have it actually on the neck. Like, do they want the kids to like actually just kill the
No, it's
brachio?
supposed to go... Bruh, look what you did.
That was your poor craftsmanship.
It's supposed to go here.
That is so sad. Why are they doing this? The dinosaurs look like they've already been in enough street fights. This is like, you know when they do like the legal pet fighting? This is like that, both dinosaurs. This is a sad concept. Okay, wow. They really took like a dark turn. I was saying, oh, it's so cool. They're like Jurassic themed. This guy's got a harpoon gun on the front of a helicopter that's gonna impale the side of a dinosaur. So he's got a little face muzzle. Oh no, we're gonna put, no. Okay. Oh god, don't get that on the dinosaurs. The rest have muzzles. Why do the herbivores have to have like the most intense jail capture gear? Yeah, so anyways, they've got capture gear like Jurassic Park dinosaurs. Very cool, very awesome. I'm definitely gonna buy more and I highly recommend you guys buying them. Ugh.
Chocolate melt, oh no.
Oh god, okay. And before I go, like we said, I'm doing a giveaway here on YouTube. You get a set of these Kinder Surprise dinosaurs. All you need to do down in the comments.
A full set.
Yeah, you get a full set.
A full set?
Full set.
All you gotta do is comment
Why am I letting her do this?
Stegosaurus
Yeah.
for one entry.
Yeah.
And
comment
like and
Stegosaurus.
subscribe.
Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. That's like the most important part. If you want to win
For
these.
an extra entry, comment Jolina, Jolina.
This is too complicated.
Is
I don't think they're gonna do
Better than
that.
Brennan.
And if you want extra 2 entries, comment Brennan is better.
That's wrong.
That is right.
Because I am the one actually
No.
controlling the.
She isn't controlling it.
I am the one who is controlling the giveaway. Have a very good day. Goodbye.
What? No.